The International Day of Forests was established on the 21st day of March, by resolution of the United Nations General Assembly on November 28, 2012. Each year, various events celebrate and raise awareness of the importance of all types of forests, and trees outside forests, for the benefit of current and future generations. Countries are encouraged to undertake efforts to organize local, national, and international activities involving forests and trees, such as tree planting campaigns, on International Day of Forests. The Secretariat of the United Nations Forum on Forests, in collaboration with the Food and Agriculture Organization, facilitates the implementation of such events in collaboration with governments, the Collaborative Partnership on Forests, and international, regional and subregional organizations. International Day of Forests was observed for the first time on March 21, 2013. Each year more than 32 million acres of forest are lost, an area roughly the size of England. As go the forests, so go the plant and animal species that they embrace, 80% of all terrestrial biodiversity. Most importantly, forests play a critical role in climate change, including global warming. Deforestation results in 12 to 18% of the world's carbon emissions, almost equal to all the CO2 from the global transport sector. Equally crucial, healthy forests are one of the world's primary carbon sinks. Today, forests cover more than 30% of the world's land and contain more than 60,000 tree species, many as of yet unidentified. Forests provide food, fiber, water, and medicines for approximately 1.6 billion of the world's poorest people, including indigenous peoples with unique cultures. In November 1971, the states members at the 16th session of the Conference of the Food and Agriculture Organization, voted to establish World Forestry Day on March 21 of each year. From 2007 to 2012, the Center for International Forestry Research, CIFOR, convened a series of 6 forest days, in conjunction with annual meetings of the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change Conference of Parties. CIFOR organized these events on behalf of and in close cooperation with other members of the Collaborative Partnership on Forests, CPF. Following the International Year of Forests in 2011, the International Day of Forests was established by resolution of the United Nations General Assembly on November 28, 2012. Forest Day. The catalyst for Forest Day was a casual conversation in Oxford, England, in February 2007, between 2 scientists who felt the world was underestimating the importance of forests in mitigating carbon emissions and saw a glaring need for the latest forestry research and thinking to inform global policy makers and UNFUC negotiators. They did not foresee that the conference would become one of the most influential global events on forests and climate change today.